Hello everyone, I am Jinnatunnisa. My ID number is 18. My topic name is Multivariate Analysis of Variance and T-Test. MANOVA. Variation of ANOVA. MANOVA assesses the statistical significance of the effect of one or more independent variables on a set of two or more dependent variables. MANOVA has the ability to examine more than one dependent variable at once or simultaneous effect of independent variables or multiple dependent variables. Control type 1 error. Examples: case study on two different textbooks and student improvement in maths and physics. Dependent variables here are improvement in maths and physics. Hypothesis: both the dependent variables are affected by difference in textbooks. Assumptions: multivariate normality. Dependent variables should be normally distributed within groups. Linear combinations of dependent variables must be distributed. All subsets of variables must have multivariate normal distribution. 2. Homogeneity of covariance matrix. The intercorrelations of the multiple dependent variables across the cells of design. 3. Independence of observations. Subject score on dependent variables are not influenced or related to other subject scores. 4. Linearity. Linear relationship against all pairs of dependent variables, all pairs of covariates, all dependent variable covariate pairs in each cell. Advantages: MANOVA enables to test multiple dependent variables. MANOVA can protect against type 1 errors. Disadvantages: MANOVA is many times more complicated than ANOVA, making it a challenge to see which independent variables are affecting dependent variables. One degree of freedom is lost with the addition of each new variable. Students' T-Test, developed by Professor W. S. Cossett. Students' T-Test is used to test the null hypothesis that there is no difference between the means of the two groups. Indication for T-Test: when samples are small, population variance are not known. Types: one sample t-test, independent two sample t-test, paired t-test. One sample t-test. Two tests if a sample mean differs significantly from a given population mean. The mean of one sample is compared with population mean. T equal to x bar minus u divided by s divided by root over 9 n, where x bar equal to sample mean, u equal to population mean, s equal to standard deviation, n equal to sample size. Independent two sample t-test. Two tests if the population means estimated by two independent samples differ significantly. Two different samples with same mean at initial point and compare mean at the end. T equal to x bar 1 minus x bar 2 divided by root over 8 square 1 divided by n1 plus 1 divided by n2, where x bar 1 minus x bar 2 is the difference between the means of the two groups and s denotes the standard deviation. Example: compare the height of girls and boys compared to stress reduction interventions. Paired t-test. To test if the population means estimated by two dependent samples differ significantly. A usual setting for paired t-test is when measurements are made on the same subjects before and after a treatment. T equal to d bar divided by SD divided by root over n, where d bar is the mean difference and SD denotes the standard deviation of the difference. I would like to finish my presentation. Thank you.